Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if this is the first time you guys see me, then welcome. I'm Sarali, beautician based here in Lebanon. So for today's video, we're going to be doing a first impression review and talk about if it's worth it, because the price is oof on this one. It's not that hoof, there's bigger hoofs. I couldn't wait and I wanted to see how big it was, and once I realized how big, I was like, no, this is definitely not worth the price. I could have gotten the same exact number, if not more, lipsticks for the price that I paid. You'll see. You'll see in a second. So before we start, don't forget to subscribe if this is the first time you guys see my face, and let's get into it. So Kiko Milano, like every year, actually comes out with a new product, and especially for this season, the holiday season, like I'm a sucker for their packaging. Every holiday or every occasion, there's like this packaging and whole like aesthetic look of a collection that comes out that is like, you look at everything and you're like, I need you in my life. Like, I can't live without you. If you guys know already Kiko, then you're obviously a fan. If you don't know who Kiko is, I didn't know who Kiko was until like maybe a year ago. Kiko is one, the cruelty-free brand, has vegan products. I will be reviewing soon. The Green Me lipstick, I'll be reviewing that. But the Green Me collection is entirely vegan. I already have a video here talking about the Konjac sponge. It's a sponge that is made from a plant. They don't test on animals, they don't test on dogs, on cats, unlike other brands, which is amazing. You know, when I saw that they came out with like this little holiday gift sets, I was like very excited to try one of them, especially when I saw the colors on this one. I like wanted to have it immediately, and it's pricey. This is the Kiko Milano a holiday Fable mini lipstick kit. This has 3 mini lipsticks that are 3 different shades. We will open the little Christmas box that is honestly, for a gift, is very cute and adorable, but let's see if it's worth it for the price, because the price is a price, honey. It's a price. So we will open it. I really love the whole ribbon and the whole, like, Kiko really makes it like their goal to make something Christmassy, to make like the whole packaging and the whole experience nice. Like, I really like that. You see this entire package, right? Kind of half of it. Half of the box is kind of empty. Like, let's say a third of the box is empty. Okay, we're good. Let's forget it. Let's not talk about this. Okay. Okay, well, they said mini. I was not expecting it to be big, but no, why this entire packaging for something that doesn't take that much space? I was like, okay, that's good. That's fine. Let's open it and see the color and how much product I have in here. Now, obviously, they're not lying about the product, how much there is, but a lot of us actually don't know about like 3 grams of product, how much that is worth. We don't really pay attention to how much our products have by liters or grams or all of that. We're gonna see now with this how much we actually have. So you open it. As always, packaging amazing. I love the details. I mean, with Kiko, I can't really ever talk about packaging or anything like that. Like, everything is always amazing. And the color pops up, and that's it. That's all you get, literally. I'm like, I mean, that's cute, but if someone doesn't really use lipstick, okay, yeah, I would get it, but this is really small. Like, this is small. This is nothing. The quantity is nothing. The packaging is bigger than the quantity. We're gonna do wear tests. These are matte lipsticks. They are in 3 shades. All of them are kind of wearable for every day, especially for the winter. You can even wear them in the summer. They all are pretty shades, but today I'm gonna try this one. Number 3. I already scrubbed my lips using the Aliak lip scrub. I scrubbed them very well, and now we're gonna try it. So I didn't line my lips, so we're just gonna see how this product looks like. First impression, this is very creamy. I like that. Even though that's matte, it's very creamy. Now, the fact that it's small, you kind of can draw more with it. The color is nice. Something I actually learned is a Green Me for the lipsticks of Kiko. I'm having a whole like small reviews for the lipsticks of Kiko and all of their products that I have from them. Even if it's matte, don't moisturize your lips. Don't. Scrub, and put the lipstick, or otherwise you're gonna look like it's not gonna sit well. You're gonna know more what I'm talking about in another video. But yeah, so just scrub your lips and don't apply anything. They'll do the job. Don't worry about that. Like, this is kind of my lip color, but better. This is stunning. It sits well on the lips. It feels moisturizing. It's not matte yet. I mean, it still hasn't dried, but I really like it. But now I'm actually very pissed that there's not a lot of product in there, because the color is stunning, and the way it just sits on the lips like it's a lip balm is honestly beautiful now. Since now you kind of can tell that it's dark outside, so I'm not gonna really have a lot of time to wear test. I'm gonna keep it for like 2-3 hours until before I go to sleep. It's not sitting in my wrinkles. I mean, the color is just, it's very natural, and it's very like your lips, but better. We're gonna see how this is gonna look like in a few hours. And on the 2 other wear tests that we're gonna have in this video, I'm gonna be using the other colors, since all of them are the same formula, and see how much they'll sit and how they'll work and everything. But till now, number 3 is a beautiful color. This is the Kiko Milano Dolce Diva Baked Highlighter. I will be doing a wear test on this one as well. We have a bunch of wear tests right now, so if you guys want any specific wear tests, tell me. I'll see you after a few hours to see how it wore. I'm back. It's currently about 11 p.m. It was 8 p.m. when I actually started to film, and so now we're gonna see after that I ate my homemade chocolate bar cereal thing, like how lit up, and I drank a lot of water, and I drink like put my lips around the bottle and I just suck all the water. My lipstick doesn't usually have a chance of living, let's say that. Okay, there's definitely still a color now. I still feel them moisturized. That's a good thing. I feel like there's a lip balm on my lips, and it's very comfortable, honestly. Like, they said matte. This is like a matte lipstick. It says on the packaging, mini powder lipstick for a perfect matte look on the lips. Okay, so it's a powder lipstick that is matte, but it's very comfortable on the lips. I really like it, and it's very moisturizing as well. It looks very natural and it looks very beautiful. So tomorrow we'll be testing out the other colors. Today we tested out number 3, which is a peachy color. They didn't crack my lips. They didn't sit in my wrinkles. They pretty much look like my lips, but better. I really like that. I'll see you tomorrow. Hey guys, we're on day 2 of testing. I'm gonna take him off the packaging, so yeah, you get my point. I'm sure you do. For me, that's just too much packaging for that much of product, or that much of a small packaging and a big packaging. It just, anyway. But we still have 2 colors, number 1 and number 2. This is more of a purpley color. Kind of reminds me of the, I'll put a picture here, the color of it. It kind of reminds me of that. I don't know, we'll try it. And this one, which is a little bit more on the peachy nude, but not like the other one, which is peach peach. This is kind of a pink peach. I think I'm gonna go for today with the pinky peach. Again, I scrubbed my lips very, very well using the Alyak lip scrub, and now I'm gonna use this. Let's see. It's a nice, it glides on the lips. It's just like, the feeling of it just going over your lips is so soft, and it's very, very beautiful feeling, like almost like lip balm, and you almost don't want to stop putting it on. Like, whoever created this formula knew what they were doing, because you just want to keep on putting. That's all you want to do, like just keep on going, keep on going. I never really felt that way about lipstick before. I mean, this is a beautiful color. Okay, I'm actually going out right now, and where I'm going, I need to wear a mask. I think the lipstick part will be screwed up a little bit. I will take it with me and I will retouch it. I can't film while I'm there. Right now it's 10:30. My phone is not with me. Okay, hi guys. So today is day 3. I have my conclusion. I didn't exactly come and review to you yesterday how much it wore and everything. Mainly because I came back very late and I realized that I could do this now. So I memorized a few key points, and with today's new information we were able to bring data on what happened with these lipstick duration. So I put in the color with you guys at about 10 a.m. By 4 p.m. after I ate, and I had my mask on. I was expecting more. It transferred a little bit into the mask. It stayed on till about 4 p.m. After that I had to reapply it, but it left a good nice tint on my lips and I like that. I had scrubbed my lips very well the morning of it, so it didn't really sit in my wrinkles or anything. It was laying beautifully, and when it dried down slash went away with food, it was nice. It was not annoying. I was looking at it in the mirror and the tint that was left was nice. And today I showed it to you guys. We applied it together in the morning. It was 8 a.m. and it's currently 8 p.m. No, it's not still like this, but I did realize that around 2 it faded away, so I'm guessing it kind of lasts with food, with water, with masks, and all these things. They kind of last a good 6, 7, 8 hours on your lips. I don't mind reapplying it, but they never claimed that it actually lasts. Only said that it's a powder lipstick. Yeah, it kind of usually lasts, but not that much, especially after eating and drinking. Though the color pinky purple is not really my favorite, but it was a nice change. The 3 colors in this set are actually really nice and very wearable. Now, if you live anywhere else except in Lebanon, then it's more than affordable. Kiko is a luxury drugstore brand. Their packaging and the way the product feels is just amazing. It's nice, but now is it worth 256 Lebanese pounds? Debatable. Like, I mean, after I've tried them and they're adorable and you can put them under the Christmas tree and it's nice. I'm kind of torn because you could definitely get way more lipsticks for the same price. It's really gonna depend if you can spend that much money or not. Or they love Kiko, specifically Kiko, then yeah, get this to them because it would be nice. It would be a nice Christmas gift. If you know someone that only likes lipsticks, this for the price of Lebanon is not, I don't want to say this, but I'm forced to, not really worth it. You know, you could get 3 big lipsticks from Essence that will last them way more at the price that you're getting for this. Now, obviously, this is a brand, the other one is another brand. You know, you could get the Stay 8-hour matte liquid lipstick. It's 3 milliliters worth of product, and here 1 gram worth of product. So yeah, obviously there's a huge difference. Yeah, and you already know that this is not full. Like, all you're getting is technically this. So yeah, there's definitely a difference between them. It's really gonna depend on your budget. It's really gonna depend on if the person likes Kiko Milano or they're a fan of just lipsticks. If they're a fan of just lipstick, get them this. I still haven't tried it. There's going to be a review about it. Wear test if it's really 8 hours and it stays on. But if the color is nice, if it dries your lips, all these things, there's gonna be a wear test. As always, honest. I would never lie to you. I don't want to lie to you. This is pure. This works. This doesn't work. It's that simple. If you're anywhere else in the world, this is 9 point something euros. It's about $11. It's cheap. It's a nice gift. I mean, if I would get this, even if I was outside of Lebanon, I know that this is $11. I would be happy to get it. I can get it myself, yes, but I would be happy to get it. For the price of here, it's too much. It's really gonna depend on you and if you see it worth it. You could get 3 of this for the price of the 3 mini of these. It's gonna depend on your budget. It's gonna depend if the person wants Kiko. It's gonna depend if the person wears lipsticks a lot. It's gonna depend. Hey, you could be like, I want to get something nice for a friend that doesn't really wear lipstick. This will be amazing. If you want to get this for someone that doesn't really wear lipstick, one, you're not getting them too much product. So the whole drying out, breaking, all of these things, product just expiring is kind of impossible because this will not last that long. After you open it of 18 months, that's when it expires. So yeah, I think in a year and a half, they would have used it. If someone is a beginner in makeup, you want to get them something nice that they will not feel overwhelmed. They want to actually use. This is nice. This is like for a beginner, even me, I would actually be excited if someone gave me this as a Christmas gift. The packaging is just, everything just feels Christmassy and luxurious. If we're talking about that, yeah, I would recommend you to get, like, if you're getting a gift for someone that doesn't use makeup in general or lipsticks in general, then this is the perfect way to introduce them to lipsticks. They'll fall in love with the color, they'll fall in love with the creaminess, they'll fall in love with how like amazing it feels on the lips, and like lightweight, very lightweight, almost like a lip balm. Hi Summer. For the price, again, if you're a professional makeup artist or you're someone that uses lipsticks a lot and you're not really someone that has a lot of money to spare, you know, you need that extra money, you're not gonna pay 256,000 just for 3 mini lipstick, then no, it's not worth it. I don't recommend it, even though that, yes, you do need to feel how soft and creamy and just melting on the lips it is. I don't want to say this, but it's not worth it. Yeah, if you're someone that wants to give a gift for yourself or for someone you know, then yeah, these 3 mini lipsticks will make them fall in love. All of them, their colors are beautiful. My most favorite are number 1 and number 3. I mean, both of the colors are stunning. Stunning. I would say maybe number 3 is more of my favorite. Number 1 is more of a pinky nude peach. This one, number 3, is more of a nude peach. I would say number 3 is my favorite. Number 1, yeah, I like it. Number 2, it's a change. It's different. I don't really wear purpley lipsticks, so it was definitely a nice change. But it's like my least favorite. The way it just glides on your lips, or right now on my hand, it tickles and it's soft and it's a dream. It's a dream. Mamma mia, it's a dream. Not the best swatch, but it's a swatch. Wow, number 3 is very pigmented. One slide I got what I got in 2 slides in there. So those are the swatches, number 1, 2, and 3. The colors are stunning. I can still feel how it just glides on my hand. It's like tickly. If you want to get this, it's really gonna depend on if you really want to spoil whoever you're spoiling or you want to spoil yourself. Now I'm a little bit tired, which is why I'm going to end this video by telling you happy holidays. I hope you guys enjoy your holiday season. I'm sorry that this video is on the 24th. I know many of you are actually very busy, and I'm currently, as today you guys are gonna be seeing this video, or the day this video is actually out, I'm super busy right now. I'm kind of reminding myself how busy I am because I usually watch my videos the second they get uploaded, just to kind of like watch and just see how everything is. I hope you guys will have an amazing Christmas and amazing New Year. If you haven't subscribed already, hit the subscribe button. It's here, and that will always mean a lot to me. And you can leave a comment if you love any Kiko Milano product or any lipstick that you think is definitely worth having with you and is cheap or luxury. If you guys could like the video, it would mean a lot. That would be your little Christmas gift to me. My little Christmas gift to you could actually come to my beauty salon. 20% off of everything facials and makeup. If you guys are in Lebanon, then definitely hit me up on Instagram. You could also talk to me on my WhatsApp or book me on Fresh. Everything is linked in my Instagram. I'll see you on the next